Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Okay, we are going to do some more number line review on this side. And then on the back, we're going to review our 10 friends from yesterday. So when we see the number line, we circle the bigger number. So find the bigger number. And then we hop up the amount of spaces of the other number. So hop 3. What did you land on? Good, the answer is 7. So we're going to do 4 problems together, and then I want you to do 3 problems on your own. So let's do a couple more. Circle the bigger number, which is 5, and we're going to hop up the other number, which is 2. So 1, 2. So this answer is also 7. Okay. Let's circle the bigger number, which is 4, and we're going to hop up 2. So 4, and we're going to go 1, 2. So the answer is 6. Okay. Now on the next one, circle the bigger number and put it on the line. Then hop up 1. So what do we stop on? 7. Okay. Now for the rest of this page, I want you to push pause and try them on your own. Then I want you to push play and check them with my answer. So remember, it only helps you to give this a try. If you just copy, then you're not really helping yourself be able to do the work on your own. So please push play and give these ones a try. Okay, so you did 3 plus 3, so your answer is 6. On the next one, we did 5 plus 4, so the answer is 9. And the last one is 5 plus 3, so your answer is 8. Very good. All right, turn your paper over on the back, and we are going to make, I want you to choose 2 colors. It doesn't matter what color they are, but go ahead and get 2 colors out of your crayon box. Okay. So we're going to color, we're going to make a pattern. So I want you to color 1 square, 1 color, and then color the rest another color. So just like we did with our rainbow yesterday, we're making 10 friends again, but this time we're making them with cubes. So if you colored 1, how many are the other color? The other color is 9. So now we're going to make a little bit of a pattern. Okay, so we have 1 plus 9 is 10. Remember, 1 and 9 are 10 friends. So now if we colored 1, we're going to increase it to 2. So if I color 2, 1 color, then how many are going to be the other color? It's going to be 8. So next we have 2 plus 8 are 10 friends. So you have 2 and 8. Now we're going to keep the pattern going. So we did 1, 2. What's our next color going to be? How many? Yeah, it's going to be 3. So I'm going to do 3 and 7. So 3 and 7. Are you noticing a pattern about the numbers? Okay, so we have 3 plus 7. So these are all 10 friends. 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7. Now we're going to go to 4. So if I have 4, then I'm going to have 6. So I have 4 plus 6. So 4 and 6 are 10 friends. Now I'm going to go to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So color 5 one color. And how many will I have on the other side? 5. 5 and 5. Now I'm going to keep going, and my pink ones are going to get bigger and my blue ones are going to get smaller, because now I'm going to go to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 4, 5. Oopsie. I colored too many on this one, didn't I? So I've got to color 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Even teachers make mistakes. So if I have 6 pink ones, then I have 4 blue ones. So 6 and 4. Now my numbers are going to keep getting bigger. So now I'm going to do how many? 7. Do 7 and 3. 7 and 3. So the next number would be 8 and 2. 8 and 2. Good. So see how our pattern, there's always 10 blocks, but it just depends on how many you color. So if we did 8 last time, now we're going to do 9. Do 9 pink, and that only leaves 1. So 9 and 1. Okay, so on our very bottom one, I'm going to color them all one color, so all 10. So that means that there's 10, but there's 0 of the other color. Okay, so you might see this on Dreambox, different ways to make 10. You just count all of the numbers until it gets to 10, and you know that those are 10 friends. All right, good work, boys and girls. Go ahead and turn in your paper to your teacher.